In this video, I will share with you how to make $100 per day without filming any YouTube video. It's going to be, guys, very easy, okay? And after this video, you can easily make $100 every single day. But before we jump into the video, if you want to make $100 every single day with affiliate marketing, then check out the link in the description, and after that training you can easily make $100 every single day. I have shared 4 free traffic sources in this training. And also, if you are in the niche of making money online and entrepreneurship related niche, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for daily videos on this channel. Now, what we are going to do and how are we going to make $100 every single day? The first question comes, if we are not going to film any video, what we are going to do? Basically, there are lots and lots of ways. So first of all, we need to find a niche in which you want to work. Literally, what I will suggest you, if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, then just go with a niche, something like where you can find the products. And if you want to just make money with the AdSense, then what you need to do, you need to find the topics which kind of always in trend. Well, let me share with you what are such kind of topics. If you want to make money with the kind of affiliate marketing, let's say you want to make money with affiliate marketing, then what you need to do, you need to find channels where you can find the products. For example, weight loss and vegan niche. Okay, you can find tons and tons of niche. For example, dog training and kind of dating and relationship, and more like this. So you need to find videos related to this. But there is one problem in that you need to edit a little kind of videos, adding some annotation. Now there is a second way where you do not literally need to do anything. Okay, so what you need to do in the second thing over here, in the second option is you can only earn by AdSense, okay, by YouTube AdSense. So now what you need to do, literally comedy videos generally go viral, millions, they want millions and millions of views, okay, and kind of a news, kind of a daily news, okay, some of the news go viral. So you need to find videos related to these topics, comedy and kind of the WWF and all those things. You can WWE, WWF, yeah, some of them has been closed, but these topics really in trend. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to find a topic. For example, let's say you want to do affiliate marketing, so search for let's say you want to enter into the niche of vegan recipes. So just click on the filters after searching for that and click on the Creative Commons. Okay, you are going to find tons and tons of videos which are completely copyright free. Look at this. 1 month ago, this guy, and he has gotten 40,000 views, 85,000 views, so 97,000 views. Look at this, guys. There is really a big possibility. These guys are not having so many subscribers. Most of them are having 20,000 subscribers. Look at this. He's ranking on first page for vegan recipes, and over here just with 2,000 subscribers. So guys, really the possibility over here is huge. Okay, so possibility over here is huge. So what do you need to do, you need to download these videos. You just need to search on the Google like download YouTube videos, and you are gonna find tons and tons of sites where you just need to copy and paste the link of the YouTube videos, and you can then easily download those videos. And if you are in the niche of affiliate marketing, means you want to do affiliate marketing, then just download any kind of software, like editing software like Camtasia and all that stuff. Okay, so you just need to add some annotation, like if you want to know some vegan recipes, check out the link in the description, so you can add some kind of annotations. Okay, so this is one of the thing you can do, and this is how you can make money with affiliate marketing, by taking another person videos. Okay, now this is the first method you can do. Now coming to the AdSense, how we can do make money with AdSense. So let's say whatever the kind of any topic over here is. For example, in the news we can search for kind of Donald Trump. Okay, so you are going to find tons and tons of videos related to that as well. So you can really pick those videos. Look at this, just 1 day ago, and he has gotten 20,000 views. 1 day ago, 70,000 views. 23 hours ago, and 334,000 views. So you can really do this. You just need to download these videos and upload the same videos, because these topics are in trend. just 2 days ago, and this is a completely copyright free video. You can use this video and you can really make tons and tons of money, because some of the topic really go viral. Okay, every single day people are really interested in learning about these topics. Okay, and so what you need to do, you are going to get lots more views than the affiliate marketing than the views in the affiliate marketing niche, because in the business niche less people are interested, but you can make much more money by selling them something. But in these niches like news niche or kind of a comedy, so in this niche you cannot sell a lot of things. Okay, but you can get tons and tons of views. So this is the difference. Okay, and you can search for anything, whatever the comedy, whatever you want to do. Yeah, let's say I just want to search for like a comedy videos. So whatever you want to search over here, just select the videos in the Creative Commons. Look at this. Really, the possibility in the comedy niche is really huge, because the views are really, you can get tons and tons of views, guys. Look at this. Just 2 days ago, and this video has gotten 2.6 million views. So this is how you are going to do. You just need to download these videos and just start uploading these videos. Okay, so this is the ultimate way. And now let's say you might be thinking that I haven't got the 1000 subscribers, 4000 hours watch time and all that stuff, so how am I going to monetize this? So basically what you can do, you can go to the Google and search for the MCN YouTube networks. Look at this list of best YouTube networks. So the really the YouTube AdSense, Google AdSense, whatever it is, okay, it is not going to giving you monetization before 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time. But what you can do, till you are not going to get connected with the AdSense, you can join some of these programs. Okay, after you are going to get the approval, you can then change to the AdSense. There is nothing to worry about that. But really guys, you do not need to do anything, just start uploading videos. Okay, what you can do, just download about 5 to 10 videos every single day, just giving 1 hour, and schedule them for after kind of 2 hours ago to 3 hours ago. In the same way, you do not need to sit the whole day, and you will be making the money in the background. So this is how you can make $100 every single day. So what are you going to do? Let's say you are going to pick the affiliate marketing niche. Okay, you are going to pick any niche if you want to earn in the affiliate marketing, and let's say you are selling just a $50 product. Okay, so you are making $50 per product. So you just need 2 sales, guys, every single day, and the click-through rate on the YouTube is about 20%. Okay, so 20%, and let's say the products converted up to 5%. Okay, so if the product is going to convert at 5%, how much traffic do you need to make 2 sales? Okay, literally to make 2 sales, if that is going to convert, you literally need about 50 visitors, guys, just 50 visitors. And for 50 visitors, okay, and in the 50 visitors, that means to bring the 50 visitors, you need how many views? You need about 400 views. So I really think, guys, getting about 400 views for the 80, that will be about you literally need about 200 views. Okay, so if you can bring about 200 to 300 views, you can really get about 2 to 3 sales every single day. It's not really going to be the super kind of rocket science. It's really super easy, guys. So this is how you can really make money with the affiliate marketing and YouTube channel. And over here, it really depends on the YouTube AdSense. Sometimes you are going to get $1, sometimes you are going to get $2, or maybe sometimes you can even get $10. So nobody can tell about this, but the average can be about, you can say, $3. Okay, so if you want to make a 300 but in the comedy niche, you can get tons and tons of views, because most of the videos go viral because of the high watch time. So this is how you can make money, and be sure to take this 100% free training if you want to make $100 every single day with affiliate marketing. And I will see you in the training. So bye bye for now.